Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online that requires no work. It is a free tool that will help you generate more income per day. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss the important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. If you want this to work, make sure you complete all the stages without skipping any. This will be a free program that will take care of all of your responsibilities. You can make money without using your hands, as I've indicated. However, before I explain how it works, you must first go to cjinc.info, which is a brand new website. This can be found all over the world. As a result, you can benefit from our website regardless of where you are from: India, the Philippines, the United States, Canada, and Australia. It doesn't make any difference. Anyone who wishes to make money for free can use this website. As you can see, they will compensate you for your time, and joining is entirely free. There is no need to make a financial commitment. There are many methods to benefit from this website, but we will do one thing right here. This will make you the most money with the least amount of effort on your part. If you want to make even more money and maximize your results while the software does the work for you, you can undertake market research, typing tasks, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. Those, though, are only optional. Even in the one category where the software does all of the work for you, you can make a lot of money every day. Finally, you have the testimonials from people all across the world who have profited handsomely from this service. The website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and anyone can benefit from it. You may work from anywhere, at any time, and make as much money as you want without having to put any money down. This website has been around since 2014, so it's a reliable resource that people have used for a long time. Even though they've been online for nearly 6 years, they would have vanished if it didn't work. Now let's get back to the video. So if you go to the homepage and hover your mouse over the term career, you'll see a list of several jobs that you may complete on this website and make money from. Now if you go to career, you'll see a list of all of the many types of jobs that are offered, such as online paid surveys, online typing jobs, ad publishing jobs, medical transcription chores, and so on. However, we will only explore online proofreading projects that pays $5 to $10 per 1,000 words in this video. And all you're doing now is fixing grammatical problems, spelling mistakes, typos, and factual errors. All that remains is for you to complete the task of correcting grammatical errors. You do not need to be fluent in English. You don't need to be a native speaker of any language because I'm about to show you some free software that will do everything for you. All you have to do now is copy and paste the articles into the software, and it will take care of the rest. Simply return to this page to claim your prize. It's something you can repeat over and over. For the time being, I'll go over how it works in great detail. From the drop-down option, choose Online Proofreading Projects, so you can get a better understanding of how it works, the nature of the job, the pay rates, and how much they will pay you. As you can see, you can make $5 to $10 every page or 1,000 words. As a result, a single page can be worth up to $10, while other activities require up to 20 pages per piece. If you do the math, you can easily come up with $200 for a single project that you didn't have to complete because the software did everything for you. Here's an example of an article I came across when seeking for jobs on this website. As a result, you'd end up with something similar to this. As you can see, this article is about 3 pages lengthy. I'll be able to earn up to $30 if I complete this activity. Those who haven't seen the video you're watching right now should read the article and fix all of the grammatical errors themselves. But thankfully for you, I'll offer you with software that will handle everything for you. You won't have to do any of the hard work as a result. You'll have to copy and paste the entire document into the program. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. But first, let me show you how to apply for a job and where you can locate this post before we get into that program. As a result, each completed assignment can earn you $20, $30, or $50. To apply for jobs, go to cjinc.info, scroll down a little, and click on Apply for Jobs. Then download application form. Following that, you'll see this registration form, which you must complete. So you'll need to pick a job, which will be proofreading. Then in this box, write your first and last names, as well as your email address. As a result, you must submit your email address so that future job possibilities can be sent to you. Then provide your birth date, gender, and marital status. This field can alternatively be left blank. After that, you'll be asked to enter your phone number so that they can contact you if any new roles become available, as well as choose your country. It makes no difference where you came from once again. There will never be a dull moment here. Selecting employed and freelancer where it states current professional position is what I recommend if you want to maximize your successes and do additional jobs. Because if you do, they will pressure you to take on additional job. Then there's the matter of what hours are you available to work. I strongly urge you to pick between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. So you'll be accessible for the entire day. Completing a task takes less than a minute, as I previously said. As a result, you can do it from anywhere at any time. You won't have to spend the entire day in front of your computer. You have the ability to go wherever you want. Then because you want to work with as many companies as possible, I recommend that you choose a large number of companies for this area. You'll be able to make more money and then select your preferred mode of payment. You can earn as much money as you want. My preferred mode of payment is PayPal. So I choose it and then enter my PayPal email address so they could pay me right away and without any mistakes. Simply hit submit after that and you're done. You've completed a form and you'll start receiving job offers soon. So they provide you an article, but how do you fill in the blanks when it's riddled with grammatical errors? Simply read the entire essay, copy the complete article, and go to slickwrite.com. This is a completely free bot that will finish all of the jobs for you. In a matter of seconds, they will repair all of your grammatical errors. As you can see, SlickWrite is a powerful free application that makes it simple to check your work for grammatical errors. The list goes on. The grammar checker is quite fast. It happens in a split second. All you have to do is paste your material and it will take care of the rest. Now it's time to put it to use and start earning money from creative jobs. You might either try out the demo and watch the video to see how it works, or just click start writing and start earning money right now. So now all you have to do is copy and paste the text into this box, or upload and set your file here. I'll just right click and copy the whole thing. All I have to do now is scroll down and press the continue button. Now all I have to do is wait for the bot to complete the task. As you can see, it has completed all of my tasks. All of the grammar faults, as well as everything I can change to improve the spelling and fix the mistakes, are underlined. That's it! The first bot that will do the work for you for free. The second website you can utilize is app.grammarly.com. You can use Grammarly for proofreading, which will take you to this page where you can paste your material into the box. When you try to correct the faults, it will highlight them for you. Right now, it will correct it for you. The entire procedure will take less than a minute, as you can see. Simply copy the entire page, go back to Creative Jobs, and submit your project to earn anywhere from $10 to $200 or even $300 for each assignment done. It's quite straightforward and easy to understand. And as you can see, it is something that anyone can do because no prior experience is required. You are under no obligation to sell anything. You don't need to wait for sales to arrive. It isn't at all affiliate marketing. It's merely one of the most straightforward techniques to make money online that I recently discovered. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online that requires no work. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.